And that's one thing that we will certainly do. It talked about, we built this city. That imprinted in my mind.
I love it though. That's why I enjoy it.
What was massage?
Em muốn làm thì em cứ làm thôi. Xong rồi em chạy thẳng lên trên đấy.
Mệt lắm.
Will you please pick up your board from office? Hi guys, how y'all doing? Nizere ko mumeze neza. Nanjye ndashima Imana ndamahoro. So today, you guys look at my hair. No, nabera nakoresha umusatsi. So guys, ubu ngubu nyine I'm doing weekly vlog from Monday to Sunday. If I can, I'm gonna make more videos. But today I was just buying hair that I'm gonna use tomorrow, and then Friday I have something special. That's why. So my nails are not done, but I'm about to get them done too. So ndashaka ko muza tukagendana the whole week. Nyine mukareba ko ibintu nabyifashe. So tomorrow I'm gonna make a video. Ndi kwisukisha, ndi getting my hair. Yo, nari nafunze inzira. Why akomeje kuza? Am I still in your way?
Sorry?
Am I still in your way?
You're fine. You're good.
Oh, I'm about to go. Bro, let me just go, okay? So ndaba sharing more video. Uko nyine icyumweru cyagiye. Ubu nyine kubera ko naparitse mu nzira, I have to go. But tomorrow I'm gonna make sure that I recorded. Ndi getting my hair done as well. Kuwa gatatu I have appointment, photo shoot appointment, but I don't think I'm gonna make vlog or photo shoot. And then Friday, I can't wait Friday. Kubera niho nyine ibintu byose byiza bizaba biri kuba. So come with me, enjoy the vlog. Oh, Thursday I'm gonna be with my mom. I'm my mom's guest because she's gonna graduate soon. So come join me in this whole week. I'm home now.
You home?
Yeah, I'm outside.
Okay, then you can find my pants.
Wait, you don't know where it is?
No, you said soft pants.
Yeah. Mama. Tamge. I just got my hair, but I got no, it's not the wrong one, but it's not enough, so I'm gonna need some more. Now I'm going to get them. When and where? Tomorrow. Okay guys, good morning. This is Alexis and I'm getting ready. Umunsi wa kabiri wa vlog. Ngiye getting my hair done. Ndaza kubereka results. So now I don't know, I have no idea nimba ngomba kubanza nkawusokoza cyangwa nimba nkureka gutya, but Yeah, I think ku giti cyanjye urasa neza, so I'll see you guys. Nizere ko Imana ikomeje kubarinda. Bye bye. Hi guys, today uri kumbona ko niba noneho nakoze makeup. I don't know, I tried. So tugiye muri event yaba abantu bagira before graduation, like it's culture, but I don't know what that means. You know some people, actually different countries have their own culture. Like we have Amariza, we have biriya byo kubyina nyine zino mbyino za kinyarwanda, so they have their own culture. So nabonye biri so interesting, ndavuga let me record this cause baby I'm gonna share this with my people. Okay, so guys, nizera ko muza kubikunda kubera ko nyine something was off, but bitavuze ko byari byiza, but for me simbizi ukuntu meze, I'm picky, ndatoratoranya kubera ko ari umuco w'abandi, we have to respect them, okay? Kandi ndabereka ama outfit, but I don't know nimba kubera ko nanabyibagiwe, so imyenda nanapanze, hari ukuntu uzupanga imyenda wajya kuyambara ugasanga it's not giving. None amasaha yangereyeho, so I don't know how I look.
But Jesus did not fail. He overcame him by the power of the Lord. When no food could not go there, but he was where the Spirit of God is. You can be away from people. You can be far from people.
Hi, Kamge. So turahageze me and Tamge.
Not Tamge.
I don't know how I did my makeup because I was running. Say hi to this player.
Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make that feel all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake. Got you. Come on, white dog, Fendi suit. I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make.
English style dress, and in opposition to the tribalism that had been fostered by the British among the Ghanaian peoples. The kente cloth symbolized Ghanaian leadership. It also would come to symbolize the leadership and strength it took for Ghana to achieve its independence. The cloth symbolized hope to those fighting oppression throughout the Pan-African diaspora.
history of the kente cloth, it came to me as I was sitting in the seat that my job to finish this out for the day is to talk about the path forward. What do we do from here? Some of you will go on to further your education. Some of you will go into the workforce. Some of you will go back home and wonder if you were in the right place at the right time. But there are so many clues along the way. It's 4/24/24, frontwards or backwards. We're right here, right now, at the exact moment that we were all destined to be from every choice that we made, and here we are. I'll tell you a little bit about my story to give you some affirmations about that. When I was 5 years old, I lived on Adams Street here in Syracuse with my mother. And when we were leaving Syracuse, moving out of Syracuse, moving to Mariners Watch Projects in Virginia, I remember a song came on the radio. It was a rock and roll song that talked about, we built this city. That imprinted in my mind. I don't know if that's what pushed me to become a real estate developer, or if those were the early clues of what things I was interested in, but that imprinted in my mind at 5 years old. And I didn't hear the song again in any notable manner until fast forward in the story. I'll get to that. So I was born in housing projects, and not the kind of housing projects that you hear in most rap songs that are housing projects that you gain clout from or that you gain status from. I was born in unassuming housing projects that nobody really knows about. Hawthorne Court in Elmira, New York. Not many people came from Hawthorne Court, and those that did don't necessarily admit that they came from Hawthorne Court. But here I am standing before you, and my purpose in Syracuse, so I thought, was to find a location to build a $200 million, 600-unit apartment complex. So from the projects to owning projects is the long and the short of the story. But as I come through, each and every day kind of working on trying to figure it out, I realize that the success of it is not the important part. The significance of it is the important part. So I now know that I was in Syracuse for this moment here to speak with you. So if that was the case, and I'm meant to be here, that means you're meant to be here as well. And so what does that mean for us moving forward? Where do we go from here? What happens in the coming days? Can I share with you the things that I've learned and the people that I've met to facilitate you in the dreams that you have and the places that you want to go from here? Sure I can. And that's one thing that we will certainly do. But some of the things that I want to tell you about in my story that have been the most important for me is understanding the paradigm that we come from, the style of thinking that we come from. Understanding that each day the choices that we make impact the places that we go, and understanding how interconnected we truly are. And so from day to day, in my real estate operation and in my community development capacity, I meet people like Jara or Tunde or Lakia. These are all people that have given me affirmations that we're exactly at the right place at the right time.
mfite ikibazo cyo kujya kwa muganga kubera my friends they not here, they went to the bathroom, so
feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like
we're done. Turatashe mu rugo. So my mom left me now. I'm gonna go behind them.
why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do. Somebody got you, I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do. Maybe another time, maybe.
So guys, thank you for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna get my nails done. Then Friday it's a week. Bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private place.
So guys, it's my time. I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm so excited.
I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a back.
Thì không thể chạy nhanh được nhỉ? Ăn ngồi.
White people.
Yeah.
Uống sơn mà gần đây thì
No, you should. Why is it pushing you? Oh my God. You're right.
Okay, thank you. Ma, can you come pick us up?
Yeah, we're back.
She got red light. Stop.
Oh, she's coming!
Here. Yes. She good.